I don't have a disability, I have a different ability. Disability in life is bad attitude. Don't need easy, I just need possible. Choose not to place this in my ability.
बहुत शुक्रिया। ये मैसेज था वीआईसी सेंटर के बच्चों की तरफ से।